Hello dear students, today we will study about division of a decimal by another decimal. Division of a decimal number by another decimal number. How can we divide a decimal number by another decimal? So this is the last topic on this chapter, decimal numbers. Okay, so very important too. Okay, how can we divide a decimal number by another decimal number? Okay, so we learned how can we divide a decimal number by a whole number and also dividing decimal number by 10, 100,000 like that ways. And also this is the decimal number by what a decimal number itself. Okay, so how can we divide? So I am taking two decimal numbers, so I am going to divide a number. Okay, so I am taking number 3.24 divided by 0.4. Okay, we need to divide 3.24 by what? 0.4. You can see that these both are what are decimal numbers, both are decimal numbers. So here you have to keep one thing in your mind, that when we go for the division, okay, we have to learn, we must know what the thing we used here. Okay, that means you have to follow these steps correctly, then you won't get any mistakes. So this part is very important. Next part. Okay, so we learned about the multiplication and division of what this decimal numbers by 10, 100,000. Multiplication and division of decimal numbers by 10, 100,000. When we multiply decimal number by 10, 100,000, and when we divide that numbers by 10, 100,000 like that numbers, that means the numbers ending with zeros, when we divide or multiply, what changes happens to this decimal numbers we learned. If you have not learned that one, you have to learn it first, because that this is very important for this one, for solving this or doing this decimal by another decimal number. Okay, so those who are not watching the videos properly, they will get surely they will get confused. Understand? You when you watch the video also, most of the time what I am seeing that you will do the works very fast. When I am asking you to send the work, then I can see that many of you are making the simple mistakes. The reason behind that, you are watching the videos, but you are not watching that with your that means you are not concentrating on that video. You are simply watching it. If you are watching the video or studying or something, when you are attending a class, you have to concentrate it. It is not simply watching a scene. It's not like simply watching a cinema. When you watch a movie, how you are watching, sometimes if you are concentrating on some other things also, no problem, the movie will be goes. But when you watching this kind of classes, you should be concentrate on there. When you are sitting on a room also, that is also very important, where you are sitting also. So okay, so leave it that kind of things. When you are going for the studies, when you study something, you first find out a best place. Okay, you have should be in a room that should be very quiet. You have to, when you watch the videos, you should be concentrated there. Okay, otherwise you watched but you won't learn. Okay, so whatever it is, just how I am going to solve it. First we have to write this way: 3/2 divide by 0.4. Same, isn't it? 3.24 divided by 0.4. We can write this way also, isn't it? 3.24 divided by 0.4. So what is next step is, we studied what a division of a decimal number by a whole number. Division of a decimal number by a whole number we studied, isn't it? So to find the answer, first thing is that we need to convert this decimal number into a whole number. Then our problem will be solved. Understand? We know how to divide a decimal number by a whole number. This is also a decimal number. So if you are converting this decimal number into a whole number, then we can solve it easily. Okay. So to convert that one, you can see that this is 0.4. To convert 0.4 into a whole number, what is the whole number? This is 4 is a whole number, isn't it? So we need to convert 0.4 into what? 4. To convert this 0.4 into 4, this point has to goes to here, isn't it? This one has to change to here. Understand? For that one we need to multiply with which one? We need to multiply with the 10, isn't it? When you multiply 0.4 into 10, what will happen? The point 4 will, this point will goes to here. That means it's become 4.2. 4 point means there's nothing is there after that. It's become 4, isn't it? We have to multiply it with 10 here. Understand? For this question, for this one, we need to multiply it with 10. Okay? So I multiply this one with 10. But what here thing what you have to keep in your mind is that I multiplied this denominator with 10. The same thing I have to do in numerator too, because this fraction won't be changed. We learned like fractions, isn't it? Like fractions we learned. What the things we are doing on denominator, we have to do it on numerator too. So my need is that what I want to convert this point, this decimal number into a whole number. For that one I multiplied it with 10. So that same thing I have to do in numerator. That is the thing. So after multiplication, what is the answer I will get? What I will get? When I am multiplying 3.24 with 10, this point goes to here, isn't it? This become here. It's become 32.4, isn't it? This one goes to here. We learned that one, 32.4. If you not learned, you have to learn it first. Okay, 32.4. This 0.4 become what? 4. Then this is you know. This is what? Now division of a decimal number by a whole number. What we are doing? Just divide this one without a point. We have to divide, and after that, when you get the answer, just put a point. Okay, like that way. Okay, this I will write this answer. Okay, for this one first. So what I did here, only one thing I did it is what I multiplied a denominator to convert into a whole number. That only thing I did. Everything is same. Okay, so decimal number I got, then I have to divide this decimal number by a whole number. For that one I have to take 324 I am taking, and I am dividing it with a 4. Okay, and dividing it with 4. Okay, then how? What is the answer? 32, isn't it? 8 4s are 32. 0, 4 will come. 1, 0. I got what is the answer? 81. 81. Not finished. This is 32.4. Then I have to put. This is the answer. 8.1. Understand? So this is the answer. 8.1 is the answer. So this is the only thing you have to keep in your mind to divide the numbers. Okay. Take one more example. Now let's set some 9.785 divided by 0.05. So what we have to do? Write 9.785 divided by 0.05. 0.05. So I need to convert this number into what? A whole number. Here it is 0.05, 2 decimal places. So which number I have to multiply? Yes, with a 100. Okay, with 100. Okay, so same thing I have to multiply here too, isn't it? Then what I will get? 9.785. It's become what? 2 decimal place it will change to, isn't it? 1 2. It's become 978.5, isn't it? Divided by 0.5. 1 2. It's become 5. Now just divide the number. Okay, when we divide it, we will get the answer, isn't it? When we divide, what we will get? Just without a point you have to divide, and after that you have to put the point. Okay, so 9785 it is there, divided by 5. Okay, 1 5s are 5, 5 minus 9, 4 I will get, isn't it? 47, then 47. So 9 5s are 45, 2. Okay, when you subtract you will get 2. Then 28. Okay, 2 8 will come. 28 you will get. 28 means 5 5s are 25. Then 3 0. Then 35 7. Easily 7 5s are 35 0 0. Okay, so I got a 1957. Isn't it? 730. Yes, correct. 195 or 1957, isn't it? So here for the answer, what we have to do? The decimal, 1 decimal point, isn't it? So just to put it. So we will get a 195.7 is the answer. Okay, so this is the way. Okay, one more. Can be a number, can be, for example, 28 point 28.48. Okay, 28.48 not 48, 28.48 by 4. Okay, not 4, by 0 point 0.000. Okay, 0.004. So here 28.48 divided by 0.004. Okay, so we have to convert, isn't it? So here how many decimal? 1, 2, 3, isn't it? So multiply with 1,000. So same thing I have to do in here too. Okay, then what will happen? Numerator you have to think. 4, 8, 2 decimal place only. So 1, 2, 2 0 goes. Then remaining 1 0 is there. So our number become 28480. Understand? Divided by here 1, 2, 3, 3. Then it become 4. Okay. So what happened here? Actually here for our denominator 3 decimal point was there, but the numerator only 2 decimal point. So to convert this one into what whole number, I multiply with 1,000. That same thing I did on numerator. Then what happened? I got a whole number here. Now it is easy. Both are whole numbers. You just divide it. So like sometimes we get like that way. So whatever it is, just think about the denominator. You just convert it, the denominator part into a whole number. For that one, what you have to multiply, you have to you must know that one. Okay, so do that way. Then that same number you have to multiply on what numerator too. Then just divide. Okay, so that's all. So I hope that you understood how we are dividing the decimal numbers with the decimal numbers. Okay, so that's all. Thank you.